So what are the best crypto resources? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So are you ready to learn more about crypto? It can be tricky to understand, but don't worry. There are some amazing resources that can really help you along the way. So let me share some of the best ones with you, okay? So step one, first, you got to start by using crypto.com. It's one of the best places to get trusted information about different cryptocurrencies. It also has easy to follow guides that explain the basics of crypto, which makes it perfect for beginners, all right? Step two, once you're familiar with the basics, you're going to try checking out online forums and social media groups that focus on crypto. Websites like Reddit, they have many communities where people share their experiences and they give advice on how to invest smartly, all right? Now, step three, after you get some knowledge from crypto.com and social media, you're going to use tools like CoinMarketCap to track the prices of different cryptocurrencies. This website is great for seeing how coins are doing, and it's going to help you make really informed decisions, all right? So by following these steps, you will be able to learn about crypto from the best resources, and you're going to feel confident as you explore, all right? So, by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people out there on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link in the description, because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you could do the same with other people too.